Zenie AI Review. 7 crucial things you need to know. Best just released AI software. If you're looking for the best new AI software that could transform your business and productivity, Zenie AI might be exactly what you need. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Zenie AI, especially if you're considering giving it a try. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal how you can try Zenie AI completely free. Something that's not always easy to find with top-tier tools. Zenie AI is a new platform that's quickly gaining attention for its powerful capabilities, designed to streamline everyday tasks, automate repetitive work, and boost efficiency across a wide range of industries. This software can be a game changer for anyone looking to leverage AI in a practical, no-nonsense way. The first thing you need to know is how incredibly user-friendly Zenie AI is. It's designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals, so even if you're not an AI expert, you'll find the interface intuitive and easy to navigate. No steep learning curve here. Just jump in and start benefiting from the automation right away. The learning resources are clear, and the community around Zenie is very active, so support is always available. One of the biggest selling points of Zenie AI is its versatility. Whether you're in marketing, e-commerce, or even content creation, Zenie adapts to your needs. The software comes with a wide range of features, from automating social media posts to generating detailed reports. It also integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Analytics and Shopify, making it an ideal choice for digital marketers who need a tool that works across multiple platforms. Another feature that sets Zenie AI apart is its ability to scale with your business. You're not just getting a one-size-fits-all tool. Zenie adapts to your growing needs, offering custom solutions as you scale. This flexibility makes it a solid choice for both small businesses and larger enterprises, providing tools that remain valuable even as your operations grow. But here's where Zenie AI really stands out. It's built with powerful machine learning algorithms that continually improve. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. This means it can not only automate tasks more effectively over time, but it also predicts your needs, helping you stay ahead of the curve. If you're looking for a software that learns from its interactions and gets better over time, Zenie AI is definitely one to consider. Next up, let's talk about the cost. Zenie AI offers a range of pricing plans that make it accessible for businesses of all sizes. Even better, there's a free version that lets you test out the features without any commitment. And if you're just starting out or experimenting, this free version can offer quite a bit of value. Another crucial factor to mention is Zenie's security features. In today's world, data privacy and security are top priorities, and Zenie AI takes these concerns seriously. With end-to-end encryption and secure cloud-based storage, you can trust that your business data is safe when using their platform. Finally, Zenie AI integrates with other software you already use. If you're worried about having to switch up your entire tech stack, don't be. Zenie is built to complement your existing workflow, saving you time and effort while still giving you the cutting-edge benefits of AI automation. If you're new to Zenie AI or any AI software, I highly recommend you give it a try using the first link in the description below. You'll get access to its core features completely free of charge and can decide if it's the right tool for your business. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, Zenie AI stands out as one of the best options for businesses looking to streamline their processes and leverage AI effectively. Make sure to check out the other recommended AI software I've linked in the description after you try Zenie AI. That's it for today's Zenie AI review. If you found this information helpful, feel free to explore the tools below and see for yourself how they can improve your business.